This time in Nugget Garage, we dyno Scott's V8 turbo truck.
I guess we also get to find out if our Nuggety upgrades get us the 500 horsepower we need to get the truck into the 10s.
Or if we catch on fire.
Yeah, that's a possibility.
Stop, drop and roll.
That's right. Let's do it.
Let's roll. Now we've got the truck back together, Scott's going to take it for a gentle drive to confirm the gearbox works and there's no oil leaks or anything else wrong with it. The tuning process should be pretty short, as we haven't really changed anything flow-wise with this setup. First off, we'll run it as it was, then try to optimise it on the 16 pounds of boost. It should still be running. Once that's done, we can start winding it up. Scott didn't bother adding a boost controller. Instead, he's got this bok choy wastegate and we just add preload to the wastegate spring. Hopefully that's enough to get us to where we need to be. And we'll just call it good and send it.
shut up and sit down.
You suck!
So pretty happy with that result on the dyno. Made a good solid 500 rebel, 504 I think it was. In the end it took 21 pounds of boost to get there, which is less than what I was thinking it would take. The turbo is sort of making 21 at about 5,000 revs and then falling away, so I could probably put a boost controller on it and try and chase the boost back after peak torque, but I think we'll just leave it like that. Even after the power drop off, it still makes more power than what it used to make peak with the last setup. So it should make a hell of a difference. Don't see any reason why it won't run into the 10s, providing I get a tyre for it in time. We're also thinking about putting a 50 shot of nitrous on it. We're going to try and leave in second gear, try to give the gearbox a chance to survive. They tend to break on the first or second shift if you get a bit of wheel spin, we found. Surprisingly, the single Walbro fuel pump kept up just fine. 1000cc injectors still had a little bit of headroom, it'd probably go a little bit further. But anyway, now we just got to wait for the race date with the Bedford. We might take it to a few events beforehand, probably a roll racing, maybe the drags, give it a bit of a test. We're going to do a couple of dump runs.
'22s.